The Samsung Galaxy 9 is one of the best smartphones of 2018, but tech being the beast it is, we're already looking ahead to next year's Galaxy S10. Here's everything we know so far, including the Galaxy S10's rumored specs, release date, and price, plus all the latest Galaxy S10 news, leaks and images. The latest report, courtesy of Korean site The Bell, claims that the S10 won't feature an iris scanner. Instead, it's said to feature a face-recognizing 3D sensing camera, a LA Face ID on the iPhone X, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Here we go. Number 1. Much faster storage and memory. Samsung Galaxy S10 is said to be as fast as the Galaxy S9 in two key hardware, whereas storage and memory, that's because new flagship is being prepped to use U.F.S 3.0 storage and LP DDR5 memory. U.F.S stands for Universal Flag Storage. In this new 3.0 iteration is the successor to the U.F.S 2.1 storage chips found inside the Galaxy S9. It clocks in at twice the theoretical top speed with 2666 MB per second maximum throughput bandwidth compared to 1333 MB per second. Even though they won't see that maximum speed, in real life they will get very fast app installation, silky, smooth running and more rapid media access and editing. LP DDR4 is super fast successor to the LP DDR4 memory currently holding today's flagship phones back used in large quantities. It would make the S10 a RAM powerhouse. Number 2. Notch-free screen. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is reportedly coming with a display that also acts as a voice call speaker, removing the need for the traditional earpiece at the top of the device. This will allow space for something else. Number 3. Underscreen fingerprint reader. There's been so many rumors now about the S10's new underscreen fingerprint reader backed up by patent fillings that we're confident. This is going to be a game changer. Rear-mounted. Users will feel comfortable while using this fingerprint option. There is ultrasonic technology which is technically more accurate than the optical units currently installed on the smartphones. A faster, more accurate of the phone screen when positioned on the front sounds good to us. Number 4. Stunning new infinity display. The idea of S10 featuring a special display has been around for many months. Now, thanks to a series of revealing tidbit reports from renowned leaksters as well as detailed reports by industry analysts, according to the information, the S10 will feature a new edge-to-edge infinity display with PPL in excess of 600, which, thanks to the aforementioned underscreen fingerprint reader as well as shrinking bezels, will deliver a screen-to-body ratio of 93%. Samsung has been at the forefront of recent trend in smartphones to reduce bezels with its Super AMOLED displays. Number 5. 3D sensing camera. Another piece of advanced tech being prepped for Galaxy S10 is a new iPhone X style sensing camera. This technology was rumored to be so advanced in production that it was heading into the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This camera will challenge the iPhone. Number 6. Transparent backplate. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a very special new material finish for the S10 that will deliver a see-through skeleton aesthetic. Number 7. 5G technology. The Samsung Galaxy S10 will support superfast 5G quantities. While nothing have been officially confirmed by Samsung, this makes perfect sense as Qualcomm and the South Korean maker have recently announced a strategic relationship agreement which specially mentions the transition to 5G quantities. A 5G connection will allow users simply incredible download and upload speeds while also opening the gateway to play AAA games via streaming services like PS Now while out and about, as well as stream high-fidelity 4K movies too, of course. If you really enjoy this video, please subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching.